So I'm about to start brunch. It's 4th of July. I hope you guys had a wonderful 4th. But since it's Sunday, I'm still making some brunch. So I'm making some crescent rolls. Just preheat the oven. As you can see, I'm putting away some decor. But look, Chris just brought home some beautiful roses, which was such a fun surprise this morning. I just love because they have like a little bit of orange to red on the tips of them. They're so pretty. And this one's waiting for the bacon to be done because that's cooking right now. Hey guys, I really wish that this part of the vlog could be super happy because it's part of the moving vlog and that's really happy. But this is reality and I don't want to, not tell you or pretend like everything's okay, because sometimes we might not be okay. And I'm filming this really quick because Chris is not around me. And I actually think I'm gonna separate this vlog from the moving vlog because I don't want him to have to watch this. I'm gonna ask him not to watch this clip at all because I want to be strong for him. But Chris's dad passed today. Even though we knew he wasn't doing well, I didn't want to think about him passing. And I didn't get to recently see him because of the visitation limitations. I have to hurry up because I don't want him to see me crying. Definitely one of the smartest men I've ever come in contact with. And I really did love him. And he embraced me. He really did. From day one. So I really appreciated that. And I felt his warmth. And I feel like I read people very well. And he always gave me such warm, positive vibes. And I will really miss him. I really will. And I'm very sorry for crying on camera, but I just had to get this out. Because now I'm going to be going to Chris's. Well, no, we're going to go to the hospital. And I have to decide if I'm going to see him or not. I'm going to give myself an anxiety attack. I need to calm down. I'm actually going to get off camera. Because I'm going to pray. Because I'm about to have an anxiety attack. I need to calm. I love you guys. What? What do you want? What do you want? Doing. What? You sitting so nice? So I'm going to start this clip off with a positive first. Look at this badass shirt. My mom got all of us final shirts because she's awesome. She somehow grabbed them in time. Woo-hoo. Game time tonight. I'm so excited. Chris got one too, but it hasn't come in yet. It's been a very long week, of course, full of a lot of sadness and full of a lot of stress, and it's not over yet. Our move date now might be changing again because of funding from one house to the next with the title companies is getting messed up. To say it like in very small terms or like not going into too much detail, that's essentially what it is. And I'm praying my hardest that it will end up being tomorrow still because we're still having the movers come and pack our entire house into trucks. And hopefully we get the keys in time to move it to the new house. If not, they're gonna have to hold the trucks for us and we'll have to move at a different date whenever they're available. And I'm so sorry that this isn't an exciting, positive vlog. Even Holly yawned just now. I know, baby. She's been such a good comfort for Mama, right, babies? Holly. Good girl. She's like, Mom, I wanna go outside and play. All right, we're gonna go outside and play.